Let's talk water. Specifically, your water. Okay, maybe it's not your water per se, but the water that comes into your cafe every day. The water that gets used for everything from cleaning your equipment to making your specialty drinks as tasty as possible, to things like brewing, food prep, dishwashing, ice making, and even fountain drinks. The question is, are you doing everything you can to maximize the quality, usage, and taste of this water? And this water? And all the other water in your cafe? Now think about this. What's the cost of an espresso machine that's out of commission just before your morning rush? Or an ice machine that dies on a hot holiday weekend? Want the answer to these and so many other water questions? Sure you do. It's Pentair Everpure. Why? Because water is all we do. And we're good at it. Making sure you have the right filtration solution for each water touchpoint in your coffee shop. Our total water management service experts will evaluate your location and recommend solutions to protect your investments. We even offer an ongoing maintenance plan, so you can leave the water work to us. What does that mean? Proactive monitoring of your equipment can help provide start-to-finish protection, reduced maintenance costs, longer life for your equipment, less downtime, and ultimately, peace of mind. Now, we have just one more question. What are you waiting for? Head over to pentair.com/coffee today to learn more.